President Biden is trying to get the nation's economy back on track, and one of his key points in that is to push for vaccine mandates.
A little more than half of Americans are now fully vaccinated, about 56%. But as COVID cases drop, there's some pushback. Florida, for instance, has fined 8 school districts for imposing mask requirements. In Oregon, a judge has denied a state trooper's request to block a vaccine mandate, while the sheriff in LA County says he won't enforce the county's vaccine requirement among his deputies.
I don't want to be in a position to lose 5–10% of my workforce overnight on a vaccine mandate, while at the same time our bare bones with the funding effort.
Nationwide, the weekly COVID test positivity rate is now around 6%. It's fallen from about 10% early last month. We are getting a better idea now of when we may see Pfizer's COVID vaccine for kids between the ages of 5 and 11 finally get approved.
Yeah, the CDC said its panel of experts will meet early next month to consider whether to recommend that vaccine. Pfizer just asked the FDA on Thursday to grant it emergency use. Its panel plans to meet October 26th. It would then go to the CDC advisors. And we're learning more about the risk of COVID in kids. When the pandemic started, doctors thought kids weren't as high risk as adults. Well, now a new study from the Journal of the American Medical Association found that is not the case. Kids are just as likely to get COVID. However, they're less likely to have a severe case with hospitalization or death. That report also found kids are more likely to be symptomatic.